Imagine a world bathed in perpetual sunlight, where the night is just a memory and the day never ends. Picture a future where the hum of factories and the glow of cities are powered not by fossil fuels, but by the boundless energy of our sun, beamed down from space. This is a world where pollution is a thing of the past, and the air is clean and fresh. It sounds like science fiction, but this is the future China is striving to build. A future where clean, inexhaustible energy is a reality for all. With advanced technology and innovative thinking, this dream is becoming a tangible goal. This ambitious endeavor, known as the Space Solar Power Station project, aims to harness the sun's energy in space and transmit it wirelessly to Earth. The project envisions a network of solar panels orbiting our planet, capturing sunlight 24/7. Imagine gigantic solar panels, dwarfing anything we have on Earth, orbiting silently above us. These panels will be capable of capturing immense amounts of solar energy, far more than any terrestrial solar farm. These panels will capture the sun's raw power, unfiltered and undiluted by our atmosphere. The energy collected will be pure and potent, ready to be converted and sent to Earth. This energy will then be converted into microwaves or lasers, forming an invisible energy beam that will travel at the speed of light to receiver stations on Earth. These stations will then convert the energy back into electricity, ready to power our homes, industries, and cities. China's plan is as audacious as it is ambitious. The first step involves constructing a space-based solar power station in geostationary orbit, approximately 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. This station, when completed, will be a marvel of engineering, boasting an array of solar panels spanning several square kilometers. Constructing such a massive structure in space presents significant challenges. China plans to tackle this by utilizing advanced robotics and modular design. Components will be manufactured on Earth and then transported to orbit for assembly. This approach allows for a more manageable and cost-effective construction process. The advantages of space-based solar power are as clear as the sun itself. Imagine harnessing the sun's energy without any interruptions, no matter the time of day or the weather conditions on Earth. Unlike traditional solar energy, which is limited by weather patterns and the cycle of day and night, ground-based solar panels often struggle with efficiency due to these natural limitations. Space-based solar power offers a continuous and reliable energy source, unaffected by the Earth's rotation or atmospheric conditions. The sun is always shining in space, and the SSPS can capture this energy 24/7, regardless of conditions on Earth. This means a constant, uninterrupted supply of clean energy. This constant flow of energy has the potential to revolutionize our energy grids, providing a stable and sustainable power source that can meet our growing energy demands. Imagine a world free from the intermittency of renewable sources like wind and solar, where energy production is no longer at the mercy of nature's whims. In such a world, energy storage becomes a non-issue, as the continuous supply from space-based solar power eliminates the need for extensive storage solutions. This is the promise of space-based solar power, a future where energy scarcity is a relic of the past, and clean, reliable energy is available to all, paving the way for a sustainable and prosperous world. Section 4. A global effort. The implications of this project extend far beyond China's borders. As Long, a leading researcher on the project, stated, "This is not just about China, this is about the future of humanity." The successful implementation of space-based solar power could provide a blueprint for a global energy solution, addressing climate change and fostering international cooperation. The environmental benefits are undeniable. By harnessing the sun's energy in space, we can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, mitigating their harmful effects on our planet. The SSPS project represents a significant step towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. Section 5. Towards a brighter future. The path ahead is not without its hurdles. The journey to harness space-based solar power is filled with numerous challenges. Engineering challenges, safety concerns, and the sheer scale of the project are all obstacles that must be overcome. Each step forward requires meticulous planning and innovative solutions. Yet the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. Imagine a world where clean, renewable energy is available to everyone, everywhere. The SSPS project embodies the spirit of human ingenuity and our capacity to push the boundaries of what's possible. It represents a monumental leap in our quest for sustainable energy solutions. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of space exploration and energy innovation, one thing is clear: the future of energy is out there, waiting to be harnessed. The possibilities are endless, and the impact could be revolutionary. And China, with its ambitious SSPS project, is leading the charge towards a brighter and more sustainable future for all. This initiative not only showcases technological prowess, but also a commitment to global environmental stewardship.